I am Misty Riggins Jackson, aka the Medicine Queen. I am a mother. I have a daughter that's 5. I have a husband that is an Afghanistan veteran. And it's just us, and we love it here in Oregon. We live in Southern Oregon. And I'm making a career out of medicine queen. I grew up in South Carolina in a small town called Silver Street. My parents has land, and my grandparents were agriculture farmers. We cook. My family is very tight and very family oriented, and cooking was one of the things that we do very well. I started cooking when I was about 8. I was standing up on stools and chairs at the stove. I've been doing this. I do this. When I'm talking about soul food, I'm talking about fried ribs, I'm talking about fried chicken, I'm talking about collard greens, yams, macaroni and cheese, cornbread, banana pudding. I'm a Southern girl.